Hey everybody, welcome back. Well, we're finally about to wrap this thing up. Got the motor in, just about ready to fire it up. Getting all the lines, everything hooked up on it. Starting to look better. This has definitely been a big project. First time for swapping out a big truck motor. Not sure I want to tackle this again. Sure don't want to do it price-wise anyways. Got a few more things to get hooked up, and then we'll definitely be getting it fired up, get the hood back on it, and take it down the road. And hope it's everything they said it's going to be. It's definitely come a long ways. But we'll be here. Bring you along to listen to this thing fire up. Hoping today. Of course, everybody that works on stuff knows how that goes. So we'll be back here in a few. Let you hear this thing fire up. A big old D-truck.
Double check, make sure that fan's clear all the way around that shroud and everything before I do the cranking. It's not hitting or nothing.
That's close, hey?
It's close up top, but
It's
not.
close up there, but
You're good.
You got plenty of room over here.
There we go. Well, we got an exhaust leak already.
let's check that over real quick.
I just didn't know it was smoking.
Everything.